Hi, I'm glad you're in the Green Pear Kitchen. Mom's showing you how to do some stuff in the kitchen. Up on the menu today, guacamole. All right, so for guacamole, you're going to need some avocados, salsa, salt and pepper, magic ingredient, cottage cheese, and a lime. All right, so to get started with avocados, you know an avocado is ripe when it is a nice deep green color like this. And if you press on the top of it, it should indent nice and have a nice give to it. I've already started, so there's already 2 avocados in this bowl. I've already de-pitted this avocado. When you scoop the avocado out, you just need a spoon and start to take the spoon and scoop out that inside avocado flesh. And it should come out real nice and easy. And then if there's stuff left in the shell, just scrape it out. Let's do the other one. Just like that. When you cut the avocado, there's a big pit in the center. So just put the knife in, maybe. You're going to go around the pit, and it should cut really easily if it's ripe and ready to go. Just went around it, and you just twist it off. To get that pit out, just flick it. Flick it with a knife. There we go, all gone. Scoop. And scoop out. There we go. Okay, I have a fork. Got a little biscuit in there. Just mash up the avocado with the fork. Did you hear the dog come running? He heard this, and I think he thinks he's getting food. He's not getting this. Okay, so it's mostly mashed up. That's okay. We're going to add a few more ingredients to it, so then it'll get a little bit more mixed. All right, salsa. If I can get the jar open, maybe. I need to grab a spoon, clean spoon to dish the salsa. Hold. Spoon. Okay. So I'm just going to put a couple spoonfuls in here. If I had to measure that out, I'd say that's maybe, I don't know, 1/8 or so of a cup. It's more or less to taste. And mix this in. You can add a little more if you want a little more salsa-y flavor, but it just kind of disappears. All right. Magic ingredient. No one's going to know what's in there. Oh, I need another spoon. Another spoon. All right, I'm going to put about two big splops of this. Maybe a little more. That's about 1/2 cup in there. I'm going to mix this up. This cottage cheese makes it extra creamy and delicious. I've had people tell me, oh, I don't like guacamole. And then they try this guacamole and they're like, oh, I like guacamole. All right, we're going to add a little bit of pepper, just a little bit, and a little bit of salt. Just putting a little bit in my hand here. This is probably about, maybe about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just sprinkle that in. Mix up again. And last but not least, a little lime juice. I'm just going to squeeze this with my hand. Do the whole thing. Mix up. By this point, most of that avocado should be all mashed up. There we go. Guacamole. Let's give it a little try. So good. Enjoy.